National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Caledonia County in northeast Vermont, northeastern Orange County in central Vermont, central Washington County in central Vermont until 4:30 p.m. At 3:24 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing 1-inch diameter hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm was near exit 8 I-89, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Berry, South Berry, Orange, Washington, East Orange, Ricker State Park, Topsham, Waits River, Corinth, Newberry, Bradford. This severe thunderstorm is also capable of producing deadly lightning and torrential rain. When you can do so safely, please report damaging winds or hail to the National Weather Service by calling 802-863-4279 or submitting a storm report at weather.gov/Burlington. Get to safety immediately when threatening weather approaches. Winds may knock down trees and power lines and damage buildings. Large hail may cause injury and damage property. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Wednesday evening for northern New York and Vermont.